The most frequent question I always get about bitterleaf soup is, does bitterleaf soup needs to be bitter? And the answer is no. You will know why in this video. So these are the things I'm going to use to make the bitterleaf soup. So here is the bitterleaf. Then this is my pepper, this is my dry fish, and this is my stockfish. Here is my palm oil. Then here is my crayfish, and here is my ogiri. So I started off with cooking my bitter leaf with just water and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. I'm adding seasoning cubes to it. This helps, one seasoning cube, as you can see, this helps to remove all the bitterness from the bitter leaf. So when it's cooked for 10 minutes, I will sieve out the water. I'll go ahead to add another extra water and squeeze it a little bit, then sieve out the water. Now my bitter leaf is good to go. Then I proceed to put my meat in my pot, add my stockfish, add my seasoning cube. Then I proceed to add salt. This is the only thing you need to season your meat. Please don't use onion. Then you cover, allow the meat to cook until it's tender. Then you add another water to start cooking properly. So while adding your water, make sure you're not adding a lot of water to it. You see the level of my water. Then you proceed to add your palm oil. When you add your palm oil, you cover it, allow it to boil, allow it to cook for like 15 minutes. Then I proceeded to prep my cocoyam. I added water to it to form a paste because I'm using cocoyam flour. If you're in Nigeria, you can make use of cocoyam, you can pound your cocoyam, but here I'm in the UK, so I make use of cocoyam flour. So when everything is boiling, then I added my cocoyam flour to my pot. So I'm doing it. I'm adding it bit by bit. When I was done adding it, I tried to crush it a little bit. Then cover and allow to cook for 15 minutes again. And this is what we have. You see how thick the soup is. The cocoyam helps to thicken the soup. Then I went ahead to add my dry fish. Why I'm adding my dry fish now is because I don't want my dry fish to break. Then I go ahead to add my ogiri. I know some people don't like it. You can skip it if you don't like it. Then I went ahead to add my crayfish. Then I added pepper to the occasion. Then I added extra salt. Remember, I used salt to season the meat, so I'm not adding too much. And I added extra 2 seasoning cube because I used 3 seasoning cube previously to season my meat. Then I allow it to cook for some time. Then here I proceeded to add my bitter leaf that I've already cooked and prepped earlier. Then when I was done, I went ahead to turn everything together. After now, what you do is allow it to cook for 10 minutes in a medium heat and your soup is ready. If you have watched this video to this extent, I want to really appreciate you, and please like, subscribe, share the video. Thank you.